guys, guess what? We're getting ready to leave for Japan. We're on our plane now.
I didn't lose.
Let you know how it was when we land.
Where are we going next? Let's go.
First stop, after landing and picking up our luggage, was to the JR counter to pick up our JR pass. Included in the JR pass is the monorail from Terminal 3 that takes you to the Shinagawa station, where you will connect with your Shinkansen to Kyoto. With the recent increase in the JR Pass, check out if it's a better value for you to book individual tickets or the JR Pass by using the JR Pass calculator available on several sites. Look at the description below for the link to calculate your individual trip.
First thoughts, I feel like a train wreck. I didn't sleep at all on the plane. Bad idea. I enjoyed our bento boxes because they're gone. They're very delicious. We went to Ichikawa. We went to just a little convenience store, picked up a couple things, and it was under, what, 1,500 yen for the both of us. And we're completely full. As you can tell, I literally got hit by the Shinkansen, so I'm gonna stop recording for today, at least stop recording my face, because I look awful. And I will catch up with you tomorrow when I'm refreshed and slept. But I will go through how our check-in with Airbnb went, meeting up with Akiko, our host, and the rest of our journey. I'll just kind of give you a recap in the morning after I've had some sleep. Okay, see you then. Thanks for watching.
Where are we going next? Let's go.